So for this example, we want to solve and verify x minus 4.3 equals negative 5.6. The operation that we're performing on this equation is we're subtracting 4.3 from the side that x is on. The inverse of subtraction is adding, so we want to add 4.3 to both sides of the equation because we have to keep our equation balanced. So x minus 4.3 is equal to negative 5.6. We're going to add 4.3 to each side. This forms a zero pair and can be cancelled. X then is equal to negative 5.6 plus 4.3, which is equal to negative 1.3. We can also verify this answer by plugging our answer into the original equation. So if we say that x is equal to negative 1.3, we can replace x in our original equation with that amount and see if it works out. Negative 1.3 minus 4.3 is negative 5.6. And since the left-hand side of the equation is equal to the right-hand side, we have verified our response.